Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be bleaching these jeans. I have these jeans right here, and as you guys can tell, they're just plain blue denim jeans, and I'm going to be doing this design on them. I'll insert the photo here. And yeah, basically I'm going to show you guys how to do that design. And what you're going to need to do this is obviously some jeans. You're going to need bleach, some water, a cup, and a paintbrush so you can put the bleach on the jeans. So if you want to know how to do this, then just keep on watching. So I have my paintbrush. I'm just going to be using this paintbrush. I just got it at Joann's, and this is the cup with water. I have about this much water, and I'm going to do a half-half ratio. Maybe I'll do a little bit less bleach because bleach is really strong. But here's the bleach. So I have it in there now. It's about like up to here. It's about half and half, maybe a little bit less than half, but now that I have this done, I'm going to be putting the bleach on the pants outside because I don't want to get bleach on my carpet or my floor or anything like that. So I'm going to go do this outside. I'm going to start bleaching the jeans, and I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can see me bleaching them. Okay, so here I have the jeans, and I'm just going to be deciding where I want to bleach them. So I'm just going to be bleaching lower into the leg, about right here. So I'm gonna start that right now. And also, sorry if you hear the cars in the background. But I have my bleach mixed with water. I have my paintbrush. Just make sure that your pants are like even and they're not like wrinkled up or anything. So now I can start painting this on. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're already starting to lighten up. This right here is lighter than over here. And I just did the knee part a little bit bigger. I thought the knee part was pretty I wanted the knees to be lighter. And I'm hoping that this bleaches to a white, but I'm going to move on to over here now. So this next part was really self-explanatory. All I did was get the bleach and the water mixture, and I put that on my jeans. And I will say that don't use a brush that you like, because the brush that I used in this video did end up dissolving. I accidentally left it in the cup of bleach and it dissolved. So I don't recommend using a brush that you like, but the brush method did work really well to do the design on these jeans. Okay, so this is how the jeans are looking so far, and I'm going to go back in to the spots that like don't have enough bleach, like right there, so I can add more bleach. But as you guys can see, it's starting to lighten up. So I flipped the jeans over and this is what they're looking like, which is actually pretty good because now I know where to put the bleach on the back of them. So I'm going to be putting the bleach on the back side now. So I finished the back of the jeans and now I'm gonna wait about 10 minutes and then I'm gonna see how they're looking. This is how the jeans are looking and I'm gonna let it soak for about 1 more minute and then I'm going to rinse them out. I'm going to rinse these pants. And you wanna get all the bleach out of them before you throw them in the washer. The jeans are fully washed out now, so I'm going to put them in the wash. So here are how the jeans are looking. And I'm just gonna fix a couple things on them. I think I'm gonna do another bleaching because it's not even on the sides. Look, this side's bigger than this one. I don't really care about the rough edge because that's fine, but I'm definitely not gonna do any more bleaching on this side, but I think this side's just the one that looks smaller. So I think I'm gonna do more bleaching on this side to try to fix that. The bottom is actually fine. It's just this one and this one up here that are way smaller. So I'm just gonna go in with a second bleaching and I'm gonna look at the back because I actually haven't looked at that. The back looks fine. It's just little spots of blue, so I might go over those again. But yeah, I'm just gonna go. And I also splashed a little bit of bleach. I don't even know how that happened, but I'll probably just go in little spots again with more bleach, right there, and then I'll let that sit and then I'll wash them again and I'll just do the whole thing over again, except I'm just fixing up the little spots that needed to be fixed. So I just painted the bleach on again. As you guys can see, I have little touch-ups, and then that happened the first time I bleached them on both sides, so I feel like it kind of doesn't matter because it matches. It just happened on the back though, so that's kind of funny, but yeah, that happened, but I feel like it matches, so it's fine. And then, yeah, I just have some touch-ups. So I'm gonna let these jeans sit for about 15 minutes. Okay, so I finished the pants. I bleached them one more time yesterday. So they're right here. I have a pile of clothes right there. But these are what the pants look like. They just look like this. I did a second bleaching and I like them a lot more now just because it's more even and the bleaching lines kind of match up more. So I'm gonna try these on so you guys can see how they look. These are what the jeans look like. I think they have a really cool pattern and I actually really like them. So yeah, that's just what they look like. over here so you guys can see the full jeans, but the pockets are outside. But I really like how they turned out. Like I said, I did bleach them a second time just to fix the little parts that didn't bleach that good the first time. But now I really like them that I bleached them twice. They're definitely something I don't have in my closet, which is a really good thing. So if you guys have like jeans that you can bleach, I definitely recommend doing this because they look different from like all your other jeans. And that is how to do this bleached jean design. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!